But getting gas, put it on the side stand like that, pop the seat, bam, take off the fuel cap. Work my fan a little bit. To the fuel cap, pull this up, pop your junk right there. Take your little Scooter Westy deal here, man, screw that on. Right, it's rubber, so sometimes it must have. There you go, boom, it's on there, right? So I ride my scooter a lot, so it doesn't sit. So I don't know, premium, super, it don't matter, because I only buy like 1.5 gallons. Serious. So with this Scooter West deal right here, I can pump, you know, so I'm gonna hold it, I'm gonna let it click so you can see. I'm just gonna let it bubble down a little bit. Boom, see? It doesn't blast out the tank. Look, I'm gonna squeeze again. Well, it came out a little bit, but still, I didn't get no gas. But I mean, that's me. That's with me filling it up and then clicking it again. Damn, I filled that bitch to the brim. So, I guess lessons learned. You don't want to do that. There you go. Got some bubbles. It's working its way down. Shake it a little bit. It settled down. There we go. Got some air in the tank, but look, I didn't get gas everywhere. Put that in there. Take that. Put this here. No mess. If you try doing that with just the standard setup, man, and your junk here, or even with this up and it not using this, you're gonna have freaking gas all down here, man. But fill up 1.6 gallons, $5.30.